All yours, Bethel.
Thank you. The only one, Mr. Bong Rubio, Wonderboy, and set to go. Race number 5. The 1200-meter race is underway. Primero de Marzo draws for your lead, right behind in second is Conqueror, then followed by KSP. Running Battle Nostradamus, Let's Dance, Zumba comes next, then followed by Pagbabago. In between runners moving up, Jensen Special, Umbrella Girl, Chloe Girl, then comes Lick, Eric, and Mascara is running at the tail of the field. Rounding towards the 600, we have KS Radats, Let's Dance, Zumba takes up the running. Primero de Marzo now in second. Moving upon the outside is Jensen Special, so as KSP, Umbrella Girl. Then comes Chloe Girl, Slick, Eric, Pagbabago, Conqueror, and Mascara. But Let's Dance Zumba this time by about 3 lengths. Running in second, Battle Nostradamus, Primero de Marzo, Jensen Special. But still, Let's Dance Zumba, Jensen is Special, trying to make a bit on the outside. Let's Dance Zumba, Jensen Special, and finally close between Let's Dance Zumba, Jensen Special. Then comes Primero de Marzo, Umbrella Girl.